prior to brake release. Confirm the FMS is loaded with our departure and takeoff speeds are bugged. Press the toggle button on the thrust lever to set the flight director to the go-around mode. Verify the flight director is in the pitch mode and indicating approximately 10 degrees, nose up on the command bars. Roll should be in the lateral mode. Difference from a sim. In the airplane, the flight director bars may have very subtle oscillations from minor pitch vibrations on the ground. On the takeoff roll, smoothly advance the thrust levers to takeoff N1. Confirm 70 knots and maintain the centerline with light rudder inputs. At V1, we're committed to go. Here, the left engine fails. Apply prompt. Right rudder toward the operating engine with a small amount of right aileron to keep the wings level. Maintain full power on the good engine. Difference from the sim. The yaw onset is less abrupt in the real airplane, but the pedal force is heavier and more sustained. However, many simulators require pushing the rudder pedal rapidly to the floor to maintain control. In the aircraft, rudder pressure is commensurate with speed and normally does not require full deflection. At VR, rotate into the command bars, which is about 10 degrees nose up. Maintain 2-3 degrees of bank toward the live engine and hold sufficient rudder for coordination. At positive rate, gear up. Difference from the sim. The control feel is smoother in pitch in the airplane, but it's easier to over-rotate in the sim. Maintain V2 to acceleration altitude of 1,000 feet AGL in a zero side-slip condition. Then accelerate to V2 plus 10 or VYSE and retract flaps per the aircraft flight manual. Adjust the rudder trim once stable. Maintain VYSE to 1,500 foot AGL or as published. Secure the failed engine per the QRH.